How to perform a burn-off cycle. A burn-off cycle is the process of removing residual odors, chemicals, and any materials left in your bowl after cleaning. You should perform a burn-off cycle anytime you want to remove residual odors, loosen material for cleaning, and especially after you have thoroughly cleaned your vaporizer. To perform a burn-off cycle, power your MIQRO on by clicking the control button 5 times. Switch your device into precision temperature mode by clicking the control button once until the numeric temperature is displayed. Hold down the up button until your MIQRO goes to max temperature. Allow the device to heat until it powers off. Check your MIQRO for any more residual odors and repeat as necessary until the odor is eliminated.